What's the deal? It's Randall. We're here at Mod FX. Got a VIP in the house. Corey Pritchard Jr. just put up on us. We put a little finishing touches on his Hellcat. You know, when he first got it, we did a few things to it. Coming back to put a little more sauce on it. So looks a little bit different since the last time it was here. But what we did today, we put an AFE Cold AIr Intake on the vehicle. And so all the Hellcats we do, this is one of the models we recommend, is the AFE Cold AIr Intake, and along with the Corsa exhaust system. And so both of these items are going to be a bolt-on. You have the AFE Momentum Intake. This is the part number for the 2018 and up Dodge Chargers and Challengers. So it has an enclosed air box, has your filter inside, and you can change that filter out. And then it actually connects to the air tube in the headlight, the inlet tube. And so you get air in right here, you get air from the bottom. It's fully sealed off from the engine bay. You get your cold air into the engine. And so one difference is when you have the 18 and up models, you have this assembly right here, and that's going to hook up to all your hoses. It's a little bit different than the earlier Hellcats. And so so we have the intake here. You know, it also has a Corsa exhaust. You know, a few things we did to the vehicle previously. Of course, it has the light and trench headlights, has the light and trench underglow. You know, lights all over the vehicle. And so if you look inside real quick, I'm just get inside. We're gonna show the dashboard.
Oh, there you go. Key right here,
get the key.
Boy.
I need that red key. You know, we got the Hellcat. But if you look in here, you see the dash lights lighting up, and so you know this car is black and green. So of course he's gonna have it on the green. That just reminds me, we need to put the green gauge faces in here. So you got green everything else. We're gonna put the green gauge faces. It's gonna change the red to the green. It's gonna complete the interior. And so also you got the stars in the roof. If you look up, we got a custom headliner package in here. And so you see it has Corey in the roof, full color change. This is probably one of the most stars we put in the roof of a Charger to date. Next is gonna be my stars, and I've got some coming on my Hellcat as well. But yeah, he got it hooked up. So inside and out is pretty cool. Got the Corsa exhaust on here, and so I'm gonna crank it up and we'll see how it sounds. Yeah, so that's the Corsa exhaust that we have on here. It's a Corsa Extreme exhaust system. And so he has a black tip model, so you have the black chrome exhaust tips. You know, he got some other work done to it, so you know, my man's completely got the custom truck and all that as well. So definitely gotta go all the way. With these Chargers, we coming with it. You know, my man Corey got something going on. I got something coming too. You know, we gonna put them together. So 2020's been good, 2021's gonna be a little bit better. Hey, y'all stay tuned. It's a quick little video. Wanted to show y'all what we got going on. We got more coming, so y'all be safe. All right, peace.